I'm Professor Arzu Yildirim. I'm the Vice Dean of the Faculty of Health Sciences at Yalova University, the head of the Nursing Department, and the head of the Psychiatric Nursing Department. There are 4 departments in our faculty: nursing, physiotherapy and rehabilitation, child development, and nutrition and dietetics. As of the 2020-2021 academic year, students have been admitted to the nursing and physiotherapy and rehabilitation departments, and education has started. Our faculty is located in the Thermal campus. Today, effective and efficient provision of health services is possible with the coordination of health professionals trained in different fields of health as a team. Our aim is to train health professionals who have ethical values and can lead society using the roles of caretaker, educator, consultant, researcher, and leader effectively, who are educated with approaches and methods based on science and technology, have the ability of analysis and synthesis in protecting, developing, and maintaining the health of individuals, family, and the society. In our departments, we have instructors who are experts in their fields, who constantly improve themselves, who are experienced in the education teaching process, who follow the current scientific and technological developments. There is basic education, basic skills laboratory, and simulation center in the nursing department. Our students receive basic nursing education in these laboratories before moving on to clinical or field applications. In the physiotherapy and rehabilitation department, there are basic education, electrophysical agents, therapeutic exercise, manual therapy, and healthy life laboratory. In these laboratories, students gain skills to increase physical compliance with special exercise and training programs. A part of our curriculum consists of theoretical applied courses that include clinical or field applications. In the nursing department, our students will practice as an intern nurse in their final year. In the physiotherapy and rehabilitation department, our students will do a summer internship for 20 working days after completing their 2nd and 3rd year. In addition, our students will develop their skills by practicing in the application class simultaneously with the theoretical lessons. After graduation, our students can work in protective, therapeutic, and rehabilitative fields with the title of nurse and physiotherapist in line with the needs of the individuals, family, and society. In addition, these graduates can also work as lecturers in the relevant units of universities. Since we are the only faculty in the province of Yalova that provides nursing and physiotherapy education, we have the potential for a wide range of application areas consisting of public and private health institutions. In addition, you can choose our faculty because we will acquire a respected position in the region with the quality education we will offer, and we will be on the way to be a leader and an effective faculty to be consulted in creating policies and programs related to public health. Yalova Province, as it is known, is in a location where Turkey's most important industry and transportation networks are located. In addition, with the advantages of Yalova in terms of coastal tourism, hunting tourism, nature tourism, and thermal tourism, students from different countries can choose our university. In this sense, our students will interact with students from different cultures and share different experiences. Also, Yalova University is a very open university due to its location. Our students who will choose our university and our faculty should first of all become professionals with basic human and ethical values. Respect for human rights, autonomy, effective interpersonal relations, problem-solving abilities, high psychological strength, the necessary dedication, desire for effort, and enthusiasm. I recommend them to be motivated. We wish success to the students who will choose our university and faculty, and we look forward to seeing you.